Today I'm going to be reviewing this case to hold an OBD 2, 1, or a Blue Driver Bluetooth setup for your car. This is going to be a scan tool holder. This is absolutely amazing. Right here I actually have my OBDELEVEN and I use this on my Volkswagens and Audis, and this is a nice tool for check engine lights and I want to protect it. So I ended up getting this case. Has a very nice grippy zipper on the side. I love the colors because it's red and black. So this fits really nice in here. You can see the dimensions on the actual product page. It'll show you what they are. But this holds this perfectly. There's a ton of room and it just is going to keep it nice and protected. We even have this nice clip on here, so you can clip this to your keys, you can clip this to a bag, you can clip it to your belt. If you're using this on the go, we have a nice PU leather material on the outside that's going to be very protective. It's going to be like a scratch resistant. It's going to protect it from small drops and maybe some water or splashes or anything like that. But you definitely want to protect your investment, and this case does that perfectly, because when I had that tool, I didn't know where to put it and how to store it, so I just kept it in the original box whenever I wasn't using it. But this is honestly a game changer for me, and now I'm going to be using this all the time to store my OBDELEVEN scan tool. Keep it safe because you never know when a check engine light may pop up or you need to diagnose your vehicle, and this is going to keep it in a really nice, safe, accessible spot. I highly recommend this. It would make a great gift, birthday, Christmas. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.